In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Venmo to Chime quickly and easily. Whether you're new to using these apps or just need a refresher, I'll make sure you feel confident by the end of this video. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already set up your Chime bank account with Venmo, you'll need to do that before proceeding. This is essential because without linking your Chime account, transferring funds won't be possible. You can usually link your account through the settings section in Venmo by adding your bank details, so make sure that step is completed. Now, once you're inside the Venmo app and your Chime account is linked, you're going to want to look for the option that says transfer money or transfer to bank. This is typically found on the main screen of the app or within the menu options, so take a moment to locate it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Think about how much you need to move over to your Chime account. Be precise here, as this will ensure the exact amount you need is transferred. With the amount set, it's time to choose your Chime bank account as the destination for these funds. If everything is set up correctly, your Chime account should appear as an option. Select it carefully to ensure the money goes to the right place. Before you finalize the transaction, take a moment to review all the details. Double-check the amount and the destination account, which should be your Chime account. This step is crucial to avoid any errors in the transaction process. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and tap Transfer to confirm the transaction. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from Venmo to Chime. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can move your funds seamlessly and efficiently between these two platforms. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Have a great day.